Okay, so I'm out here going to start this 1971 Arctic Cat Panther. Somebody years ago put a 399 JLO 2-cylinder in it. It was originally, at least the hood says, a 303. That would have been a rotary engine, a Wankel type engine. So right now I just got a temporary gas tank set up, return line going in the vent, and then just a piece of brake tubing, automotive brake tubing, and some blue fuel line from Fleet Farm. Running up to the carb. I just rebuilt the carb last night. Let's see how it starts. I think I'll give it a little bit of a primer here. I don't have the regular primer hooked up. See that stubby little 1/8 inch line down there capped off. I'm just going to give it a couple shots of gas here. Open up the throttle plate a little bit, let it run in. We'll go ahead and choke it. See what we got.